Gear repair is a crucial service performed in the manufacturing industry to ensure the smooth functioning of machinery and equipment. Gears are an essential component of many machines, and any damage or wear and tear can lead to significant downtime and loss of productivity. Gear repair involves the restoration of damaged or worn gears to their original condition, ensuring that they function efficiently and effectively. The gear repair process typically involves a thorough inspection of the damaged gear to identify the extent of the damage and the repair required. The gear is then disassembled, cleaned, and repaired using various techniques such as welding, machining, and grinding. The repaired gear is then reassembled and tested to ensure that it functions correctly. Gear repair services are offered by specialized companies that have the expertise and equipment required to perform the repair work. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of high-quality gears and gearboxes for various industries. The company also offers gear repair services to its customers, ensuring that their equipment and machinery continue to function efficiently. Berkness Company has a team of experienced technicians who are trained in the latest gear repair techniques and use state-of-the-art equipment to perform the repair work. The company understands the importance of timely gear repair and offers quick turnaround times to minimize downtime and ensure that their customers' operations are not affected. Berkness Company also offers customized gear repair solutions to meet the specific needs of their customers, ensuring that their equipment and machinery are repaired to the highest standards. If you are looking for reliable gear repair services, Berkness Company is the right choice. The company has a proven track record of providing high-quality gear repair services to its customers and has the expertise and equipment required to handle even the most complex repair work. To learn more about the company's gear repair services, visit the Contact Us page on the site and get in touch with their team. They will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. FAQs. 1. What are the common causes of gear damage that require repair in manufacturing? The most common causes of gear damage in manufacturing include wear and tear due to regular use, improper lubrication, overloading or shock loading, misalignment, and contamination. These factors can lead to issues such as tooth wear, pitting, cracking, and chipping, which may require gear repair. 2. What are the different types of gear repair services available in manufacturing? There are several types of gear repair services available in manufacturing, including gear rebuilding, gear reconditioning, gear refurbishment, and gear replacement. Gear rebuilding involves repairing or replacing damaged components to restore the gear to its original condition. Gear reconditioning involves cleaning, polishing, and regrinding the gear teeth to improve their performance. Gear refurbishment involves replacing worn or damaged parts with new ones to improve the gear's overall performance. Gear replacement involves replacing the entire gear with a new one. 3. How can I choose the right gear repair service provider for my manufacturing needs? When choosing a gear repair service provider for your manufacturing needs, it is important to consider factors such as their experience, expertise, reputation, and quality of service. Look for a provider who has a proven track record of delivering high-quality gear repair services and who uses advanced equipment and techniques to ensure the best results. Additionally, consider their pricing, turnaround time, and customer service to ensure that you get the best value for your money. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.